In this video, I'll show you how to use Windows Dark Mode. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, before you use the Windows Dark Mode, you need to turn it on, right? So click on this, click on the settings, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, we want to turn on the Windows Dark Mode right here on our Windows, right? So as everything will appear on a dark mode. So click on these personalizations. From here, you're going to see a whole lot of options right here. So just click on these colors, right? Once you've clicked on it, you're going to see change the colors that appear in your windows and your app, right? So choose your mode. We want to turn on the Windows Dark mode, right? So as we can use it. So just come on here, click on dark, right? Once you click on dark, everything, our windows would be automatically set to the dark mode, right? And using the dark mode is pretty easy. There's nothing really much with it. It's just like using your normal previous light mode, right? But I think there are a whole lot of option, like everything will appear here on the dark mode, right? So this is how you can use the Windows Dark mode. You can just turn it on and use it as you previously have been using the light mode, right? So I don't think there's anything much about it. It's just turning on different appearances as regards to how you love your windows to appear, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.